your ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Hello, children. Yes. What if I tell you, say, you where they tell your pikin, say, I love you, no be waiting that pikin one here. Or if you dey buy the pikin gift, you know they even look your side at all. Instead, if you be say, he just want make you come hold am, make you just cuddle am, make you show am that kind of affection, because that one will be your own love language. Welcome to the show where they always talk about the well body, plus including lifestyle. That's not what they call them, your health. This is not your Niger Halfcast, or coming in Luchi Inobong, and not be only me the waka come, especially on top of the episode, which makes a lot of sense. As you can see, my own hair bunny, is Milk Sense, and my beautiful Silence Perempe Pepestico Bebe. She's also here. Look at her bunny. It don't make sense. Oh, she needs to do that one introduction, Vico.
Hey, me, I just the happy way because this is reminding me of my days as a children, when I was a children.
Only a children.
Now I'm an adult. Yes, in those days I was a children. Only me, plenty children. My name is Dr. Adora, and welcome to the show. Today's show, well, not be only for children. In fact, now for you, the parents, may you for understand wetin be your pikin love language. Yes, so we go tell you wetin it be, because some children, you go feel say, in fact, especially when you get more than one pikin, it's not good maybe they treat all of them the same way, because one pikin love language different from the other person own. No assume say because this one like to hear I love you, you go assume say okay the other one like him. No, that one own fit be say buy me bicycle. That's my own love language. So today on top this show, we go tell you ways where you fit show, this love language where your pikin like. So waiting they do this. Okay, where they go? What's all this that you are doing?
If you be saying, oh, love language, no be to buy a gift.
And not to carry and they do. Anyway, as I dey talk, on top today matter, we go show you ways where you fit know wetin your pikin love language be. And we'll also show you things we fit use today. Show them this love language. Maybe outside school, for house, if you carry them, go out. Anyone where it be sharp. So just open your ear well. And in case you not be parent yet, just gather all the information down for your parents where you sabi. Or if you be pikin, gather them down for your papa and your mama. We're about to rock this thing now.
All right, and the first one we'll go enter now. If you be saying now words of affirmation, that's now one of the first love languages we get. And these words of affirmation, if you be saying, you go tell the pikin, if to say this now your pikin, that's a cute white and blue. If you be say, yes, if you tell the pikin, say, I like your hair. Your hair today makes sense. Or if you be say, you tell them words like, this your blue clothes, you just they bring out the color of your eyes. Yes, those are the kind of things we're picking them. We like words of affirmation. And that kind of way they like to hear. The things where if you use, we say you fit to focus your attention on top their personality. You fit to focus on top accomplishment. That's not things where they don't achieve on their own. You fit to use and they even praise the outward appearances on top their body. If you want to give them money as reward, the pikin feel not happy. So if you give one of your pikin money and the pikin just no think say the pikin no appreciate them. Now only be say if you be say you can go about it the long way.
On top that one, if you want sabi ways where you feel strong, for example, if you carry go outside, wanna go play, or you get to eating or they call the playroom, and if you get one corner for the house where your pikin they like to sit down and they play, you get some things where you go do there to show them say, okay, I love you. For example, if you they teach them how to build blocks, maybe bricks in the builder, you can't build them, the thing can't find. Even if you don't find safe, you tell them say, yay, Nay did it. I just use my nephew example, give you now. Yay, Nay, boo boo. That was very awesome. You know that kind of thing. All those ones, they verbally affirm their action. Then on top that, another one again, you fit even give them cards or notes. You understand? Where if you just write things, where if you stick around the area, make them use and know, say correct. If you write, tick and put good for there. They'll just happy say, mom is proud of me, or dad is proud of me. Say, dad is happy with what I just did. You understand that kind of thing? On top that one, you fit give them nickname, like I talk now. Nay, boo boo.
Boo boo, nay.
Know that kind of thing. So this thing is sweet too. When I talk children, say when I was a children, you are still a full children. The way
I
like this.
agree.
You agree? And they
Yes,
stand for your
because
body.
God likes children.
Abi o, be like
They are
a child if you want to enter the
innocent.
kingdom of God. Now so, on top that one again, you fit tell them the reasons why you are proud of them. Understand? For example, when you don't do that kind of thing, wey make you happy like this, you just say, Nene is a sharp boy. Give me 5, or just give you pa. That kind of thing. You go just make him belly sweet. So depending on your pikin, you know as it take be. If the pikin na sanguine, he like to play, find ways to play with them. Very, very important. You go appreciate that one as in love language.
But now you go dey wonder, say, okay, how I go take no? Say my pikin like this kind thing. How I go take no? Say this love language, words of affirmation, na the category of where my pikin fall under. We go give you 1 or 2 clues. One of them na wetin say he dey smile when you dey praise am. When you dey give am that oriki, that's what you go just do from green to green. You go just dey shine it. Yeah. You go say you go just tick am down. Bam, 1. Another one be say they like to dey express how they feel. They like to talk. They like to open their mouth to tell you things. They like to report. Yes, you need to know say this person, this my pickings. It be like saying at that level angle they go. Or they like to seek your permission on top so many things. They'll say, mommy, mama, I feel, mama, can I do this? Mama, this actually, mama. Then you know say you're picking if it be under the same category. Or they like to write notes or give cards to other people them. You see how they enter? Yes, that's not one of the clues. Yes, not true. And say they like to overreact. When you wait there, be mama or papa wait there for us, when they rebuke them. They like to overreact. You get that they go they'll call the cry because now words, because those words they hold are dear to their body. So if you know say you get picky way fall under this category, most likely now words of affirmation.
Yes, so the next one now acts of service. You know, say you already look me, so I should say you self you like her. When person help you do something, the thing they sweet you for belly. Even now, so our children, you understand? If they teach them how to do things for themselves, you understand? Some of them, you go notice say they like them when maybe you help them with their homework, or you help them wear their clothes. You know that kind of thing. You get as you go arrange the cloth for them like that. Or you understand? You help them teach them maybe if na boy, teach them how to throw ball, or when they play ball together. All these kind of things na acts of service for your pikin. And you go notice say you get one of your children, or if it be all of them self, we like them when they do all these kind of things. So it good make you take note of them. When they help them, they do what they're supposed to do. And when they like them, you go know say, okay, this one of in love languages, na act of service. Or if it's be major love language, depending, then you get different ways where you go show them, say, okay, I love you, even with my acts of service.
Yeah, speaking of those different ways, one of them na showing hospitality. Now, don't get it twisted though. Hospitality different from house girl. It's different from house girl. So show hospitality, now be one of them. Help them tie their shoe. Yes, you can help them tie their shoe. You can follow them, do 1 or 2 sports, do 1 or 2 skills together. You fit even repair 1 or 2 of their toys together. If they help them for what they do, and you notice that your pikin, they always stay happy. Your pikin fit to fall under this category of act of service.
On top of that one, wetin be the clues? You know, say we dey talk our own, but we got to give you clues where you go take note, say this your pikin in love language, na act of service. If he ask you, say, mommy, daddy, please come and help me repair, for example, this panda now, let's say the ear tear.
You go pull out the ear, go tear.
You never see where pikin they play with something. That's the tear. I say, mommy, please
experience.
come and help me. It has torn. You can't carry needle and thread. Help and sew and back. You understand? You go know say, act of service now one of him. Love languages. On top of that one, if they do homework, you say, daddy, come and help me, or auntie, come and help me do my homework. You go know say, okay, this pikin, one of your love languages, na acts of service. On top of that one, if you do them surprise, for example, maybe your pikin don dey ask you since, say, mommy, please, if I pass my exam, I want you to buy me a bicycle. You not tell them anything, you not promise them, you just do like say you're not here. Then one day you just come back with bicycle. I dey call bicycle because me, I like bicycle.
Why you not go like bicycle?
I like them. If you see when I
I'm
dey
not
ride
even
bicycle.
like you, they wound on top bicycle.
I won't join now. Of course, when you dey learn, you go first fall, you go wound yourself. But when you stand up again, you move on. And now I'm an expert in riding a bicycle. Yes. Then, so if you just surprise them like that with the bicycle, if you just happy, I go to why? Say, mommy, bought a bicycle for me. Yay! Hey.
Easy.
You go no say.
You don't pass childhood easy. You don't go finish.
Now you they teach me. I'm learning from the best.
All right, at this point in time, we're going to need to buy a small break. I don't say they enjoy it because if you look at our studio, we are looking very spoofy. We are remembering our children. It's Children's Day, and we're in the week to remember the children. Let us enjoy ourselves, because don't you like my teddy? They come back. Teddy bear.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
Welcome back. This is still Na Your Health, the only show where they carry collabo with lifestyle and well body to make sure say you dey on top your A game for everything where you do. And today na Children's Day. Yay! Happy Children's Day to all the children out there. Luchi don't bite me with her bug. I'm not they give you.
Give me that one.
I'm not giving you.
Give me that one.
No.
No exchange.
No. I like this one. I like black and white monochrome. Yes. Happy Children's Day. And if you want to chook mouth on top the matter, what we discuss today now, children's love languages. How you want to know how your pikin they understand and interpret love. Now we dey on top the matter today. It's my throat.
You see, now because you know be pikin when they wash us now, so they know say they look, you say, this one's safe. When you know, give me my own big teddy. Give me big teddy, take small teddy, you know what take am.
No, they talk to me and on top the show. No, they talk to me and I don't like her.
You not hear say.
As I they talk before, she rudely interrupted me in my speech. Yes, please, if you want to come out on top the matter, we did Facebook, we did Instagram, we did Twitter, and you fit even send us email. Maybe for read them, answer you back. Right about now, the next love language we want to discuss now, gifts. Yes, if you want to know, say your pikin. It gets as your pikin, they react anytime when you buy them gifts. And so you will take note, say, this my pikin. You be like, say, in like gifts as in love language.
Now, I see like gifts, so you get some things where you go use to do them, to show them, to know, say, oh, my baby, yes, I know. You get ways where you go take to show, say, yes, I am expressing my love language of the child, and I will give to you. Fit to use waiting cards. Yes, you fit to use cards, and not just anyhow cards we get picture. Because those people, when they look and go bring back memories, they say, oh, you know, say, picking they use gifts to remember something, to remember a moment or a time past. So imagine you give them picture, we get card, or card we get picture for inside. They go, they happy, they go say, every time they remember, and they go, they smile. Another one we call stickers. Especially if those stickers, then they're colorful. If those stickers are colorful, yes, children, they always like that kind of thing. Especially if your children, like gifts well. Or bracelets, that's not bango. Yes, if you like bango, if your pikin like bango, just they watch them. If you be say that one too, you follow for part of the things we in like, and that one feel me say in like gift, because gift should be part of in love language.
And how you want to take no, say in like very easy. You get as you go buy gift for your pikin. The way you go dramatize the matter. Come and see what my daddy bought for me. You go the whole neighbor, everybody go know say you don't buy on something. From there, you don't need anybody to prophesy give you. You go know by yourself, say this my pikin. You be like say in like gift. Where. Then on top that one, if he just dey, he go just dey. As if anybody won't touch that thing where you buy for him. If he fight as in, I just remember one place where I go. It's my nephew. As he don't enter like this, the person where they ain't get one fine horse where they climb, where they make noise. As my nephew see I'm happy, he don't run, he won't go climb. If you see the way the boy reacts, like if you touch it, if you try it, he not there before. He just climb, he just climb on top the horse. They push him. He not plan him before. Just because another person won't go near. That one you go no say in own love language. He like gifts way. On top that one again, they appreciate when you you know, as you buy plenty toys, they keep. You go just arrange everything myself. Just keep on there, just stand and look up. You just can say, what baby, what's up? What's doing you? You go just there, they happy. Go they smile, go they sing, go they dance around the gifts. You go no say this one. I'm picking like gifts as love language.
And from gifts, they enter quality time. Now, if you get pikin with one quality time, know what they find? Undivided attention. It won't maybe say if they talk to you, no just try distract yourself or distract them. It won't make you focus. focus on only am. Now that kind of pikin. And for when they're small, you know, say pikin wey under this category. When they're small, they want make you play with them. If they roll on their back for floor, you go roll on your back for floor. But as they don't when they old, you go see say they go like that quality time in terms of talk. Make una two just the rapport, they talk, you know, like so una know what they talk. Even though if you be say in they talk gibberish. Also, if you be say bedtime stories. When you want to do bedtime stories with them, they feel enjoy that kind one too. Minus not including, plus including in all conjunction with sporting activities for backyard. Especially Guinea, you know the sport I want to talk of? Football! Hey! Some pikin know they joke with that one, no? No try am. If you want to do and try that kind, but if you come to football, or baby, or bobo, they like that kind of sport. So if you know say your pikin like that kind of thing, you yourself you go do, they look and say, quality time pikin, I be this.
In the quality time pikins them, me, I dey like to call them gum body children. They know they like to leave you alone. That's now one of the clue. They go let you know, say, this my pikin, he like body, he like quality time. So every time, Daddy, where you going? I want to follow you. Mommy, where you going? I want to follow you.
They say where you're going. Some picking them, once they see their mama knock shoe,
they'll go wear
slippers. Because they don't say the next day their mama go tell them, where your slippers, where your slippers? They say, hey, mommy. In fact, one of my friend picking, they keep slippers for door. Now they in sense rich, he keep her for door. So as in mama carry her back.
He go just run door.
He go
just stand there. Before they give my excuse.
No excuse.
No. Mom is coming back now saying, no way.
I
cannot be smarter
back.
than me. I'm doing this. And they follow you go. Then on top that one again, they seek your company. If you enter inside room, he go follow you enter room. If you come up from room, enter toilet, he go follow you enter. You say, wait, I want to ease myself. Mommy wants to say, you come. Sometimes you go even cry if you want to separate yourself from mom. You know that kind of thing. So and that way go make you know, say, okay, oh, this is my pikin. You like quality time. Because you get some other children where on their own, only them one, they can create a party for themselves and have fun by themselves. They don't need you. But if you get that pikin where enough, you just stay by himself. You know, say, okay, this one in love, quality time. And the clues, that now the small things where you go they look out for to know, say, my pikin will be like, say, you like quality time. Now wait till we they talk now. Now wait till we they talk. It be like say I don't talk pikin again. Oh yeah. Okay. She has come and talk the clue. You need to know, say, get some ways where you fit to show them outside. I be Dr. Dora. I fit to. Yes. I'm not a children in that one, Abi. Are you sure? Anyway, if they do daily chores, and I feel they do daily chores together, then I walk for inside house. You know, say small pikin, they like make you send a message. They like make you send a message where. So daily chores you follow for there. Eye contact. Yes, quality time, eye contact, might be part of the things for inside there where you need to do to show them, say you are there for them at all times. All right, Adora, the next one. The next one, this one I like him because me, I like him. Anybody wey know me, know say I like to hug, but please I don't hug men. Only women. In fact, I don't give the ministry name because every time there's some people go hug, they'll say, oh, Adora, when you hugged me, so I don't give her name, please. Healing Hug Ministries, now be the name. Hey! Yes, it's a healing hug. But when I hug you, your life will never remain the same. And you only want heal women, you don't want heal men. Why go they hug me up and down? What's that? Want me my husband push me for house? No, this. I beg. I'm not talking anything. Not talking. As we discuss, Jare, you see physical touch. Some children, they're not fit sleep unless they know say you did their side. You understand? That one now, physical touch this. They like to just hold your hand, hold your leg, hold your this one. In fact, as I talk, I'm just they see my nephew because now so him just be. You must carry him. He dey work out, but you must carry him. All those kind of people, now physical touch. So how you want to take no? In fact, no, before we share the clues, what are the ways you can express this physical touch? You know, say one of them now, if you picking, if you sit down next to your picking, because they know what make you come up from their eyesight. Exactly. So they want your skin to skin contact. There is contact, skin to skin contact, yes. So you go, they hold them like this, they waka. They like to sit down next to each other. Yes. They feel they do patting back, say they rubbing back. Some picky, they go just touch their head. Go just they sweet them. Or say they hold their hands. And in some cases, they go say, high five, give me high five. Correct, Teddy. Teddy, be. Some of them, if it be say, na physical games. Or say you even hold your pikin on top of your lap, you put on top of your lap like this. So, Dr. Dora, you need to show them the clues. The clues are very easy thing. We have already mentioned some of them in what we are saying. They just like to follow. They go ask you, say, I want to follow you. I want to hold your hand. You know that kind of thing. You go like to hug. Every time I go stretch out hard like this, carry me, all those kind of things, all those one follow for inside. Then on top that one again, they like to hold your hand. Then he like back rub, like Lucia already talk. He just, they say, some of them go just form my back is scratching me. Come and scratch my back, something's scratching me. Just all those kind of people, they just like physical touch.
You do this kind
I do them now, I know they lie. They like to cuddle, anything. Come, let's cuddle. Let's just stay together. All join for inside the physical touch.
While we're still in the atmosphere of physical touch, we're gonna need to buy a small break right about now. I know say you're enjoying.
But not touch me, not be your physical touch.
And you shine titty, not my physical touch, you shine. Now me with the bad break, they come back because you know what you must touch me better.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Give me that teddy, give me this one. Take her.
Because I know they look.
Take her.
Sweetie, don't mind her. She's not treating you right. Mama loves you. Mwah, mwah. See, as we fool ourselves on national television. Oh my God.
All right.
When I don't hear everything where we did talk, place, we know all the love languages for our children. Place, and place. Whether na gift, whether na physical touch, whether na acts of service, whether na
quality time.
Quality time, please. Anyone.
Or words of
we don't
affirmation.
give exactly things like that. Please and please and please. Know it, understand it, and find a way to show your children. No waiting day specific for each child, because every child get their different love languages.
Yes, no, they do old school. We have passed the old school generation. This is the Jet 8. And guess what? If you know the love language, you go fit understand your pikin better. Especially when you don't even know your own love language too. So two of una go just dey mekwe, lekwe, wakawe, hold each other, bumper to bumper. At this point now, we have come to end it because these children, they will not go down for inside studio only. We have to go out there. Yes, we have to go out there. We cannot come and do it just inside here. We have to go out there and let people know that it is Children's Day. This teddy, we need to go and give it to people to show them that it is an act of love.
Parents, listen to your children.
We finish.
We are the leaders of tomorrow.
We finish.
Try to pay our school fees and give us
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.